WUBEN G5. So neat. I'm gonna actually make it a little bit darker in here. And I'm gonna kind of show you the light. So if I hit it just one time here, I get a light. If I hit it twice, I get like turbo mode, okay? So extremely bright light. It's adjustable, so it's kind of hard to see. I'm gonna put it back to like moonlight so you can see that it's on. You can adjust the head here, right? So I can put it down, right? So that it's facing forward. I can go up or I can go down, all right? It also has this dial on the side. So what I'll do is I'll move it back towards you and I will use the dial to turn it up. So pretty neat. There's a dial on the side here, okay? This is where you get power in, right here. So I just turned it off. This is the USB-C. It comes with USB-C. It also comes with the lanyard. If I close this up like that, it covers up the USB-C, right? This is actually how you turn it on and off if you want to. If you hit it twice, you get like the different lights. You can also cycle through with the side. One unique thing here that I couldn't really figure out, which I think is really neat, is this little clip here on the side. So use this clip to like clip on your shirt, but you can also pull the clip out and rotate it. I'm gonna turn the lights back on so you can kind of maybe see it. So the clip, you can have it on the front, or like in this case, if you had the light on the front, you can have the clip on the back and like clip it on your shirt, like so, right? Then what I could do is I can turn this on. So I can have it hands-free and be able to work and do what I need to do. So really neat. It's really neat that you can move the clip around. It's a really neat little flashlight. It also has a magnet. I forgot to mention that has a magnet on the back. So it will stick to something that's metal. And you can sort of use this to adjust it around. So if you're working on a car, you can stick this to the hood, assuming that it's steel. And then you have this ability to move this thing around, and you could use the dial to make it brighter or make it less bright. So really neat brand. These guys are making a lot of neat things for flashlights. This is the WUBEN G5.